Hi guys. In this video I will show you how to remove background in Photoshop. Hold Alt and right click and drag right to increase the size.
My mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely.
Hold Alt and click to deselect area.
A feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
Hold Alt and click on layer mask to remove background.